Okay, first what we will do, we will finish yesterday's the pending part. Like we started yesterday Hello World program, right? By using command line.
Correct.
So we'll try to finish that one. After that, we will see something. Okay. Like yesterday, we were asking that Git commit and all. So we will see that one.
Sure.
Okay. First, let me open that program. Remove that one. So yesterday we have developed one simple program, right? Like this sample. Correct. So we have developed this sample, and yesterday we were at we completed point number 1, write Java program, and the second point we were working on the second point, like we are trying to convert the Java program into the byte format, so that Java can able to understand that one, and it will run the program and it will give the results. Correct. So we were at second point. We are trying to convert the Java program into the byte format. Okay, well, let me open the window from this location. So how to open command window? Basically, we need to open command window from this location. So how to open it? Shift and right click. You will get open command window from here.
Oh, okay.
So basically, we need to open a command window from this location.
So I have to press Shift, right click, correct?
Yes, correct. Then you will get the command window from that location. This is one way, and another way is Control R. Then here you can type CMD. Then you will get
The same window.
same window, but we have to navigate to your program location.
Okay.
CD space and give the location. Now you are in your location, the desktop demo. Correct? Desktop demo. So you can follow any one of the approach. Open the command window. So now we are in this location. So the second command is Java C. Java C, and we need to give the input for this command as a which file you want to convert to byte format.
Okay.
So I want to convert sample sample.java. Correct? And press enter. So now it is success. And if you see here, right in the same location, you see one more file, sample.class.
Right.
So it got generated.
It's get converted to the
Correct.
class.
Byte class, yes.
Okay.
So if you open this class, we are not able to read it exactly. Did you see that there is so many symbols over here? So whatever we have written, our program got converted into byte code. So this byte code can able to understand only by the machine.
Right.
There is so many symbols, is there, right? So this one basically we need to convert the program whatever we have written to byte code so that machine can able to understand. So this is for human being purpose, and this is for machine purpose.
Right.
Okay, now we have a byte code. So the second step is done. So let me copy this command in Notepad. Okay, this step is done. Now what we have to do, I want to run just now our program is ready in bytecode. Now I want to run my program and I want to see the output. Correct? So to run the program, we no need Java file. Correct?
Right.
So this is only for developer purpose. This is for to run the program and to see the results. So what is the next command? So Java space, and we need to give what is your class name?
Simple Java.
Sample. Correct? Just give Java space. You to give exactly. Press enter. Then you got the output results.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. So at first you convert it to the by writing the command pro is simple Java, which is you configure the class to the byte
Correct.
system, right? And
Yes.
after that, you're just calling the class.
Correct. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So that is the way to run the program. So
Okay.
no onwards, right? So the simple .java is not required. So if you want, you can delete it. So
Right. After you convert it to the
yes, going forward, we are going to use only this is the one. So you can run n number of times right now. If you want to run again, so this is what write one time and run n number of times. I told you right, starting day.
right.
Correct. So
But
yeah,
if I wanted to modify anything on this particular,
correct. So then what you have to do? You
I
have
have to
to
go.
go back. Correct. Copy it here. So that's what we need to maintain Java file also. Now, say for instance, right now what we are displaying here, we are displaying hello world, correct? So what I want to display, I want to display the time also,
Right.
something like that. It's extra additional requirement. Then what we have to do? We have to modify your program.
Right. Concatenation. Right.
Correct. We need to add this one anyway. I will tell you later what is. Just to display time, we need to write some piece of code that I'm writing right now.
So you have to. Oh, okay. You need to import that jar folder, right?
Correct. I need to import the. Anyway, I will explain you all these things later. But just to, I want to do some change in my program. So I have my program got modified. Now, if I will run Java, did I will get the change? I will not get. Why?
Right.
Because I need to again, I need to convert this program into the bytecode. Correct?
Correct. You need to convert it and then you can run it.
Yes. How to convert it? We have a program Java C
Java. Yeah.
space sample.java. Press enter. Now it got converted. If you want to see that one, and where is that location? So it got converted, and if you see the timing 6:15, this is India time, 6:15 a.m. So just now it got converted. So now your bytecode is ready. So how to run it? Java space sample, press enter. You can see right, hello world colon Monday November 21st and 6 IST 6:16 IST 2016. Correct? So this is the way to write a Java program and to compile it and to see the results. And these are the commands. Mentioned Java and Java C. These two are main commands. So how to find what are commands we are typing here? Java C, Java and all, right? So these commands are available. Wherever you install Java program, right?
Right.
And so here, go to JRE bin. So did you see that here java.exe? So you can able to see here Java, right? Java.exe. So basically whenever you are typing Java from the command window, so this will be executed. That's what, right? We are giving these locations as a class path. We are giving this location, we are adding this location to the environment variable, correct?
Correct.
So otherwise your program, your window is not able to recognize these locations. So that's what we are giving this location as part of your environment variable. So this environment variable will be available entire the system.
Right. what is this folder? It's called jar, right? All this folder.
Yes, these are exe files, executable files.
Okay.
It's not a jars,
Oh,
executable files. You can say jar also, correct? Yeah.
okay.
So jar also we can able to create executable jar. If you see here, you can able to see all the commands. You see here java.exe, javac.exe. So these two we are trying to access by using command line.
Right.
So these, I mean, path we need to, yesterday we already added to the environment variable, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the very important basic understanding how to write a simple program and how to run it.
So just another question. Whatever the folder that I'm seeing, it's the same thing I'm writing in the Command Pro, right? So for example, if I'm trying to see the JMC, right, I just need to write the JMC folder to see it, right?
Oh no,
This,
JMC you want to, you can please come again?
yeah, it could be it's like a Apple TV viewer.
Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So I just need to write it down, write the code, and then that will display, right?
Yes, yes, you can write anything, it will display over here.
Oh, okay. Just I have to take the word from here. Okay.
Correct, correct, correct. You have to take, if you want to write your own exe file, so you can write it here. I mean, I'm telling some different way. If let's suppose you developed some new jar or new exe file, so you can paste in this location,
Mm-hmm.
and you can able to access it from here. So what
Oh,
you
okay.
said, Apple, you can run it and give, if required some inputs for your jar, so type here and press enter. So now what it's telling, Apple is not found.
Okay.
So you need
Because
to write
the jar folder, there is no jar folder called like that.
correct. Yes, yes, yes. See, say for instance, see here there is a word java w.exe. So it is there, right? So you can type that one. So you will get java w. Press enter.
Uh-huh.
So it got executed, but no results. Correct?
Because I wouldn't have anything there,
Yes.
right?
There is no input basically. So that's what it is telling.
Mm-hmm.
So it is got executed, but the proper input we have not given. So that's what we are not getting any results.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
So this is the way to invoke this bin folder. Correct. So this is the purpose of bin folder. And did you see that there is some other folder called lib?
Live.
So these are the libraries, supporting libraries.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here you will see the jars. These are the jars. Okay.
Okay.
Now go back to lib. So JRE. So what it will give here, right? So it will provide some of the runtime related libraries, DDL.
Okay.
So when you are running the program, it needs some other libraries, some other supporting files. So these and all you will get it from this location. Java runtime environment, JRE means. So you will see three folders. Basically, main is library, JRE, and bin.
No, right.
So these three are very important. Now we got some idea, right? What is bin, what is JRE, what is lib.
Right.
So to access this one, we need to add Java home and path. I mean these two steps yesterday, whatever we did, like a Java home and path. Okay, this point is clear, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, same thing if you want to do by using Eclipse. So that is very easy. So let me close this window. It is not required. So next time onwards, say for instance, if you want to give this program to somebody else, so you have to give only sample.class. It's not required sample.java. So directly they will copy the sample.class into their, I mean what to say, their computer or whatever, and they will open the command window and they will run this line Java space sample. Java space sample, they will get the results.
Correct.
So that's what, compile one time and run n number of times.
Mm-hmm.
So this, you got it right?
Correct.
Okay, now the same thing if you want to do by using Eclipse. So how to do it? Now command window, these are so many steps, right? So say for
Right.
instance, now let me open command window. So just I'm trying to open the Eclipse. So for Eclipse, so I need to give something about Eclipse, right? So I will tell you. So Eclipse, Eclipse was developed by IBM people, and this is a open source. Okay. So if you want to first, right, what you have to do, you have to install JDK. Okay, like yesterday, whatever we followed the steps. After that, you can download Eclipse from this location. I'll give you the location. I think we have already discussed, right? Like what are the versions is there in Eclipse?
Yeah, I think I have the good understanding of Eclipse because
You have, right? So
I'm currently using heavily Eclipse. Yeah.
yes, if you don't have, then you can get more information about Eclipse in this. So these are the possible versions so far. 3.0 initially they have started, and right now the current and latest version is 4.7 and Oxygen. So it is
Right.
not yet released. It will be released in 2017.
Right. But currently I'm using the Neon.
Neon is the latest version.
Right. That's the one I'm using.
This Oxygen, why they planned in 2017? Because in 2017 they are going to launch JDK 9, correct?
Uh-huh.
So to support that one, so they are introducing Oxygen.
Okay.
So that's what you see here, June 2007 planned.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we have only JDK 8, right? So whenever they will introduce JDK 9, so they will release this one.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what their plan. So these are the possible versions. You can download some basic version, any one of these three, which will compatible with JDK 8. So from here 4.4 onwards, it will support JDK 8. Means Luna, Mars, Neon. These will support JDK 8.
Mm-hmm.
You can able to see here integrated Java 8 support.
Correct.
So 4.4 will support, 4.3 will not support JDK 8.
Mm-hmm.
So you can download any one of these three, and that will support Java 8. So and the second one, you said you have already Eclipse, right?
Correct.
So you know how to download and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, then I can ignore that one. So first time when you are opening the Eclipse, you will see this welcome window. So this welcome window, just it will give some tutorials how to use what is new, sample, all those things. If you want to see the samples and all, you can click it and it will give some samples. What kind of samples you want to see? You want to see Java editor. Just it's a kind of help. So basically it is not required for us. If you want to see the help sample programs and all, so it will give you. And if you don't want, you can close it. Directly we'll go to the. So this is the main view. So if you want to go back to that welcome page, then go to help,
Uh-huh.
and you will get that help window again, welcome window again back. Close it. And if you want to know your Eclipse, what is your version of your Eclipse, go to help and about Eclipse. Click about Eclipse. Help under about Eclipse. Then you can able to see your version. Correct?
Correct. Uh-huh.
Version colon Juno service release to something it's displaying. So mine is, it's a pretty old Juno. So I am here. So this is the one basically. It's an old one. You know, it basically it will not support JDK 8. It will support till 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that you can able to get the version for any Eclipse.
Mm-hmm.
So then click OK. So you know right how to get every version. Go to help and about Eclipse. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, now the second point is, now our main goal is I want to execute the same simple Java program by using Eclipse.
Right.
So if you want to do the same application yesterday, whatever we did sample one by using Eclipse, what you had to do, we had to open the Eclipse. Then after that, what we had to do, yesterday what I did, I have developed a simple folder called demo, correct? Where is the demo? Sample.
Right there.
Somewhere I did
Yeah,
develop.
is right before that you clicked on Java Duck. Before that is demo.
Yes, this is the one. So this is I basically I created one folder. Okay, this is our project. Demo is our project. The similar way here also we need to create a project. So that project name you can give demo. So how to create a project? So go to the file, new. Under new you will see so many things. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So you can ignore for time being all those things. Go to other. Click on
Correct.
other. Then what kind of project we want to create? I want to create simple Java project. Correct? So
Yeah.
type here Java space. Then you will get Java project. Select it and press next.
Mm-hmm.
It's and what is and what is your project name? Sample. Correct? So give the project name. Project name is sample. And rest of the things for time being you can ignore everything. Okay. Next. And finish it.
So this one doesn't require to add any sort of the library or anything, right?
You no need
No,
to
it's
care about library that thing.
okay.
So your project is ready.
Mm-hmm.
Your project is ready. So this is your project sample.
Right.
So inside, if you create a Java project, you will see here the folder structure look like this: src bin, some dot settings, some dot class for dot project. So for time being, we need to concentrate on only src and bin. Rest of
Mm-hmm.
things you can ignore. We will come to know slowly.
Okay.
Okay. First is src. What we have to write? We have to write simple Java class, right? Java program like a sample.java, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So here how to create, now we have to create a sample.java file, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So whatever Java files you are going to write, so that should be come under src source.
Mm-hmm.
So right click here and go to the new and go to other. So what you want to write, you want to write Java file, right?
Mm-hmm.
So type here Java. It's not a Java, sorry, basically here, right, we are planning to write Java, correct? Sample.java. So this one we used to call, here we are going to write with class. So type here class. So you will get class. Okay, select that one. Next. And it is asking name, what is your Java file name? So I want to give as a sample. The file name is sample.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Right.
finish it. Sample. So now file is ready. Sample.java is ready.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our sample.class. So inside that we need some more things, correct? Public static void main.
Mm-hmm.
Public static void main. We need it, right?
Right.
So what we have to do? We have to type it. Public static void main, after that string your gs open bracket close bracket. Correct? So this one we need it. Correct? So say for instance, if there is a we have some advantage, right, by using Eclipse and all. So first one is this file got generated automatically. Correct? And the second one is every time it's very difficult to type this much words, right? So there is a shortcut for Eclipse. Just so if you want to get that one, just type MAIN control space bar. The shortcut is control space.
Yeah.
Okay, press enter, so it will generate. Correct? After that, what is our goal? We want to display some information. Correct?
Correct.
So we need to write system.out.println. Correct? So how we will write system.out.println open bracket semicolon. So every line should end with semicolon in Java. It is a, after that we have to write here hello world. Now our program is ready. So and another thing is here it's very difficult to type system.out.println. Correct?
Correct.
So we are using Eclipse, so we can utilize that facility. So how to generate that system.out.println? Yes, Y, yes, O. Okay, control space bar. You will get this one. Then you can type here what you want to display. Hello world.
Right.
Now your program is ready. But generally what we did previously, we executed Java C, right, to convert this into the bytecode. Correct? But here you no need to do that circus Java C, Java, all those things is not required. So whenever you are writing the program, whenever you are saving, so automatically what it will do, the code will be converted to the bytecode and it will be placed in bin folder.
Correct. It's
So
calling it from the jar folder and then it's converted.
yes, it will take care all those things. You no need to care.
Right.
Even if you are modifying anything, say for instance now, see when that class got generated, the timestamp we will see. So when it got generated, 6:35 and 2 seconds. Correct? So now what I will do, I will modify one more thing. I added some more change for my program. Correct? Now go back and see the timestamp. Correct? It got regenerated, right? 35:02 to 59. So for every time whatever you are modifying, automatically it will regenerate the bytecode.
Correct.
So now you have a bytecode is ready. So how to run this program and how to see the results? So to run the program, right? So what you have to do, right click over here in the program, which program you want to run, right click and you see so many options. So for timing, just go to the run as. So
Java.
this is a Java program, right? So you need to select Java application and you will see your output over here. So this is very easy, right? Simple, generate one, create one project and write the class and right click and run it. Here we are not executing Java, C, Java, all those things, correct?
Correct.
But internally Eclipse also will execute same thing. If you see here, right, what you will see here, Java application, and what command it is trying to execute? Java W.
Correct.
Correct? So Eclipse also will follow same path. Correct? C program files, Java, JRE, bin. Correct? Eclipse also required JDK. So it is trying to execute sample as a Java application with help of this Java path. Did you see there?
Right.
So indirectly Eclipse also is pointing your Java location only. This is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now and you are asking how to commit or how to check out. So
Right.
that point, right? So you have account, right? The Git account.
Yes, I do.
Okay, let me log in into my Git account. Okay, I logged in into my Git account. Okay. So now what we have to do first, right? So first you need to create some Git account, and now you have any idea about Git, or we need to start from scratch?
Um, I have idea. I'm currently using also Git,
Okay.
but I know how to create the folder
Uh-huh.
repository.
Okay.
After that, what I have to do, I'm kind of confused. Even I had done it, input and output, push it to the GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
But the step I'm doing it is not appropriately. I'm not understanding the exact logic behind of it.
So now you know how to create a repository. Now you know how to commit the files.
That's where I get confused most.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the folder path that I have it in my computer, right? Correct.
Correct. Correct. So basically, I created a branded new, a folder. Okay.
Mhm.
So here, what you have to do, and you are going to commit a new project, already existing project you are modifying.
Well, I have it one existing project that I'm working on it,
Uh-huh.
and I have another two project that I'm also working with the Java and the Selenium, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So is that I have it already. I already pushed the code in manually. I just drag and drop all
Mm-hmm.
the code that I had it on my machine. I
Okay.
just drag and drop the in a repository because I was confused how to do it. Push it
Okay.
from the
That's
computer.
okay. Fine. We will start from that one today. So first, what you had to do, you had to create a folder from your machine. So this is my
Right.
a new folder,
Yeah.
and
If
after that, what you had to, yeah.
yeah, if you can give me a step by step by writing it so that I can pick up.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
So I can repeat it myself and then I can do it the same thing. Or
Okay. Let me save it.
okay. Git folder.
So first, right, what you have to do,
Create a
create a
folder.
Git account. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Next step is create a location or folder in
Machine.
your machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these two steps are done so far. Okay,
Correct.
after that, you said you have already some repo, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have already some Git repository.
Correct.
Okay, this is also done. The fourth step is, right, what you have to do, open Git bash.
Yes.
Correct. So how to open? So before that, we have to do one more thing. Initialize Git. So how to initialize Git? So I want to open the Git window here from here. Before that, what you have to do? Right click. Just right click from this location, and you will see. And you have already installed this Git, right?
Correct.
So you have already installed, right? So this
Yes,
is
I have
also.
a
Oh, so if you
version.
install, right, you can able see here Git bash here, Git
Uh-huh.
GUI here. Correct.
Uh-huh.
So what you will do? Select this option Git bash here. Then you will
Okay.
get one black window.
Mm-hmm.
So the first command, what is that? First command is git init, git init, and press enter.
It
So
creates the repository in your
it will
local.
create .git folder in your local.
Okay.
Okay, this is done. After that, what you have to do? And you said, right, you have already some repository locations. So before that, we need to configure your Git. So there are so many people are going to commit, right? So we need to configure yourself. What is your name and email?
Yeah, okay.
So these steps, you know?
No, I don't actually. First, I create the Git folder
Git
here.
folder. So it will generate this thing, correct?
Right.
After that, you need to configure username and all those things.
Okay.
So username I had given tester.
Okay. Which is can be my name, right?
Yes, you can give your name. And after that, username is fine. After that, if you want to configure your email also, the similar command you can use. So basically, you need to remember these things: git config global user dot name, and you can give your name. So this is, so what is the purpose of?
Just like when you said your name, it's just like the way that I have in my account. Like I have it on
Yes,
my account, Islam. So that's how I'm gonna put it there.
correct, no problem. It will display your name when you are trying to commit something, right? It will display Islam,
Okay.
so that people can able to understand who checked in this, who committed the file when it was committed. And your name, it will display. Also, if you want to display your email ID, so you
Yeah, but
can
yeah, I
tell.
don't want to display
Yes.
it. No.
So, so if you want to display, you can write like this: okay. Git config hyphen global user dot email, press enter. So now your details already configured. If you want to see,
I think in a Git there is a two branches. One is a master branch, and the one is
correct, correct.
but what I have to do,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna push it in the master branch. Master branch is done by the developer who
That's
is
okay.
actually
Uh-huh.
reviewing the
Mm-hmm.
code,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
he push it to the master branch.
So
But
that, right,
uh-huh,
master branch, I know it's kind of production code. We have a trunk or branches, correct?
uh-huh.
So whatever branch you can select, so you can able to change the branches. So how to change branch also, I will help you on that. Say for instance, in my local, go to the test sample. So this is one of my repository, test sample.
Mhm.
The similar way, if you have any repository, so now what we have to do? Now we need to, you said, right, you have already some repository.
Correct.
So you take that repository location. The repository location you will get like this dot git also it will add. So whatever repository you have, just try to take that repository and okay, try to take that repository from this location or whatever location you have. Say for instance, if you don't know the repository location, so log in into your Git account and you will see here clone or download one option.
Yes.
Okay, and just click that one, you will get a small window and here you will see the location. Just copy this path
Correct. Uh-huh.
and go to your location and here, so this command is very important. So before going to the location,
I just
yeah.
want to say, for
Mhm.
example, at that particular repository, there is a branch and there is a master branch, right?
Correct,
I
yes,
want to put it on the branch
yes,
only.
that I'll tell you, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
That's fine.
first, right, what you have to do, you have to take the repo location, copy the repo location
Hmm.
and go to your terminal window and you have already configured your name, all those things, correct? So now what you have to do, right click, don't know I can able to paste it here, yes. So the first command is git clone, and you have to give the location, your repo location, and press enter.
Connect is creating the connection.
So basically what it's trying to do, it is trying to download all your repo location to your local machine.
Okay.
It's already downloaded. First we need to download the existing project, correct?
Correct.
So this is one of the existing project. So the existing my repo location, and inside my repo location I have already one simple project sample. You said, right, you have already some repo and also already some existing project is there. That one you are going to modify, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now I am in my project, my repo. So I already downloaded my repository project. Repository location name is test sample, and inside that I have only one project. So now I'm going to modify this project. I'm going to work on this project.
Correct.
After that, what I had to do, I had to commit my changes, correct?
Correct.
So this is our basically our agenda. Okay, now your question, come back to your question. You were telling, so how to check in to a particular branch, correct? So before that, we have to create a branch, right? Right now, master is a branch.
Right.
You can say it's also one branch, but name is master, correct?
Correct.
So let's suppose if you want to create a branch, git, maybe branch is already there with you.
Yeah, branch is already there, right?
So what you have to do, git branch and branch name.
Okay, so git branch. After that, I have to put the branch.
Branch name, yes. So what it will do, it will try to create a branch. After that, you are telling you want to move to a different branch. How to move to your own branch? Git checkout -b, and you have to give your branch name. To which branch you want to move from master to.
Okay.
Then you have to give your branch name.
Okay.
So you have a branch 1. So you can give branch 1. For time being, here there is no branch. See here. Now branch 1 is already created, and now I am in branch 1.
Okay. So since if it's there, then it just need to the checkout is git checkout dash b and then branch. That's it.
Correct.
Okay.
So this is the way to move to some different branch. Right now I am pointing to branch 1,
Okay.
not to master. So whatever files I am going to commit, so that will be there under branch 1. So first you have to move from master to which branch you want to commit. So this is the command, git checkout -b and your branch name.
Right.
So I'm assuming in this branch also your files are there. Correct? So in branch 1 also your project is there. Okay. So this is the way to move from one branch to another branch. Again, if you want to come back to master, right? So the similar way, git checkout -master.
So so if I'm trying to from moving the code from branch to master, so I have to write the
correct. So you have to navigate to corresponding branch first. So now I am in master branch. So this is very important command. You have to remember.
It just automatically, honey. You only things that you need to put it is git checkout dash b master,
Correct.
and after the following line is gives the computer gives you, right?
Yes, it will generate switch to new branch called master.
Okay, got it. Okay, so as soon as I got
Open a new window, open git window, and what you have to do, you have to clone the project. or repo. So how to clone it? Which command you have to use? The first command. Git clone. What is that? Yes, this is the one. Git initialize. We have already discussed it, right? So init git. So for how to init git? So we have to use this command. So use git init and it will initialize the git repository. After that, right, what you have to do? You have to clone your project. So how to clone it? So that is a second command. So here we have already not here. Where is the clone command? Yes, this is the one. Second one is we have to clone your repo. Correct?
Correct.
So this so far it's clear, right? You have any confusion?
Okay. No, so far it's good.
So we have to initialize the git and clone your project. So whatever you want. And the third one after one is switch to required branch. Whatever branch you want to.
Yeah.
So what is the command? Same git checkout -b
And then the branch
name. To which branch you want to move.
Right.
This is the command.
Right.
Okay, so far we are assuming we are in a particular branch.
Correct.
Okay, now go back to our project. Now we have already downloaded our project. So this is our project sample. So now what I am trying to do. So this is our sample project sample, and now what you will do? You will modify the files, correct? So this is example ABC. There is some Java files is there. So say for instance, this is existing projects. It is you have downloaded from the repository, and now you will start work on these files, correct? So what you will do? Okay, let me open this. No, it's no need to open. So I'm going to modify sample test comment. So I modified this file, correct? You mean to say I have added so many changes, correct? Ultimately you will modify Java files only, right?
Correct.
So I added one line, correct?
Correct.
So how to see the changes, how to commit it, so that we will see. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to come back to your project location. So this is your parent git, right? Parent location, right? So this is your repo name. Test sample is your repo name, correct? Test sample, this is my repo name, and this is my project, correct?
Correct.
Test samples is my repo name, and sample is my project. Currently I'm working on this project, correct? So go to this inside your repo location, inside test sample, and open the command window from here.
Okay.
Right click and open git bash over here.
All right.
Okay, on here. Now window will open and corresponding branch. The previously whatever is selected, it will display over here. For time being, you can assume here master. Previously whatever command you executed, right? So that should display over here. Git checkout -b. So whatever. Again, I came back to branch 1 to master. So it is displaying master.
Correct.
So this clear, right, so far?
Yes.
And we are going to work on this sample project. So this is our main project. So okay, let's suppose just now we checked out, and if you want to see is there any changes got modified in your local, so how to see the changes? Git status. So if you see here, there is some red color is coming. Why? Because I modified the test folder, my test, correct? So what I did, I added this command, this line, correct? Previously this line was not there, but what I did, I modified my files, correct? So how to know how many files got modified? So which command we have to use? So this is the command git status.
Right.
You type git status, press enter, it will display the modified files. So my tester.java file got modified, correct?
Right.
So this is the very important command we have to remember. Git status.
So that shows that what the file is being
Correct,
modified.
correct, yes. Git status. To by using this command you can able to get how many files got modified. So this is one of the file got modified. Say for instance, if you want to know what line got modified, so there is another command called git difference. Did you see that? Which line got modified?
Simple.
Command. Just I added one command, comment. Previously this comment was not there. So this is the line I added. And it's displaying, right, which line got modified.
Correct.
So now we can able to see the difference also. So far we have not committed this change. Right now just we are seeing what file got modified, what line got modified. Correct?
Correct.
Now you decided you want to commit this file. So you modified sample, test file. So this file you modified, correct? So you modified, you added, let's assume I'm going to add one more line. Sample test comment. In real time you will add a Java code, but for our testing purpose I'm adding sample test comment 2. So basically I added one more line, correct? So if you want to see another how many lines got modified, git difference, press enter.
Yeah.
So how many lines got modified?
So far 2.
Yes.
But
now you know, right, how to know what are the files got modified and what are the changes. So you have to remember these two commands, git difference and git status.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, and the second step is, let me mark this one also. So if you have any questions, if you have got anything, then just stop me there. We will talk about that. Okay. So git status, you know, right? What is the purpose of git status?
Yeah, it just shows how much you modify.
Correct. What are the files you modified? Git difference, it will show what are the lines got modified in that particular, in each file. So far we have modified one file. If you modify 10 files, it will display all the 10 files here. Okay.
Right.
Now the second question is, now I want to commit these changes into my branch. So how to commit it? So before committing, right, I will show you the original file in repository. src. So this is my original file, my test. If you see here, there is no comments, correct? I added 2 comments. Correct? So this is original file and this is modified file. So these 2 lines I added today. Correct? Now what I want to do, I want to push these changes into my branch. Branch means master. I want to commit directly master. So in your case, you have your own branch.
Correct.
So now go back to this window. So how to commit? So for committing, right? So there is a command git space commit -m space and give the comment. What comment? So what you have to type some comment so that people can able to understand why you committed the changes.
Correct. Whatever the modified you want.
Correct. You have to mention sample
text
commit
message
to test commit. Okay, sample commit to test commit. So this is my comment. After that, what you have to do, press enter.
Okay, what do you mean?
So there is a spelling mistake. Double M.
Double M, right.
Press enter. So it is not taking, correct? So there is a step before that. What you have to do? So you modified the files, correct?
Correct.
So the modified file is the sample. So before committing, right, so there is a step. So let's suppose you have modified 10 files. Just assume 10 files got modified. What file you want to commit? You don't want to commit all the 10 files, right? Maybe you will commit one or two files. So that files you need to add. So how to add it? Git space add. Which file you want to commit? This is the file, right? So copy this location.
Like that it gives the status.
Copy the location and paste it here. Git add and file path. So the file path how you will get? You will get from the Git status. Okay. Git add and the file. Which file you want to commit? So that you need to select it and press enter.
Okay.
So you have to execute before commit this command. So I will tell you what is the purpose of this command. Just mark it. Go back to your demo. So first you saw the difference. After that, what command you had to execute? You had to execute git add and the file path. Okay.
Right.
So now again go back and see the difference. Git status. Did you see there the color got changed?
Right.
Correct. This is red color and this is something like a green color. Correct.
Why is that?
Yes, I will tell you that's what I want to tell you. Say for instance, this is your Git repository. Okay. Repository means this is the one. Correct. This is a repo, right? And you have your own working directory, working local version. Local version is this is the one. Correct.
Right.
So we have Git repository and your local version. Correct.
Right.
So whenever if you want to commit the files, right, you are not able to commit directly to the main branch. So for every user, it will create a local repo. This is called local repo. So first what you have to commit the files into your local version. From there, you have to commit to main location. So this is not right. So from your local code, you have to commit to your local repo. So it will create a local repo for every user.
Right.
From that local version or local revision, so you have to commit to the main Git repo.
Right.
Okay, so this is the life cycle it will follow. This is the life cycle of Git basically. So you are not able to commit directly to the main path. So you have to commit to your own branch. From there, you have to commit to the main repo. Correct. So that's what we are following these steps. Now what you did, you just inform to the Git, I want to commit this file. So before committing the file, you have to execute this command git add and which file you want to commit. Then the color will change that particular file to green color.
Right.
Okay, now it is ready to commit. Now we have to use the commit command. So what is the commit command? Previously we typed, right? So git commit -m and sample commit to test commit. Correct. Now we have to execute this command. Command. So it is done. Now it got committed. Now you did see any error, right?
There is no error.
So now you see here, it will give some more information. How many files you got modified?
One file is changed.
And how many lines you added? Two comments, right? These two comments, 2 lines I added, right? So that's what it is telling. One file got modified, 2 insertions plus.
Right.
Correct. Now what happened? Now what you did, you committed from your local repository to here.
Correct.
It is so far it is not there in the main repository.
Okay.
So far you committed your files to
Local repository, which
Local
is my
repository, correct. It is not there in the main repository. Main repository is this is the one. See, even if I refresh here, right, I will not see your change. Did I see here?
no, I haven't pushed it yet.
Yes, we have to push it. So now what we have to do, we have to move the files from here to,
There.
so this is step number 2. So this is step number 1. So we have to follow this life cycle. So now the files are there here, correct? Now we have to move from local repository to your corresponding branch, trunk or master or whatever.
Right.
This is your feature branch, correct? This is your branch, and this is your trunk or master or whatever.
Correct.
Now go back to this command window. So what is the command to push the code from your branch to main branch?
Okay.
So this is your main branch basically. So this version what we used to call it as a staging. It is not a branch basically. It is called as a staging. Before going to the main branch, so it will keep hold all the files here. It's kind of gatekeeper. So let's suppose if you want to enter into a particular office, right, we have to take gate pass, right? Otherwise you are not able to enter directly inside, correct? First you have to take gate pass, then only you can able to enter inside. So right now we just wait to gate pass. Now we have to enter inside. So how to enter inside or how to commit files to main branch? So we have to execute a command called git push origin to which branch you want to push, master or your branch name. Yeah, right now I had given master. In your case you can give your own branch name.
Right, which is
Yes, correct. And press enter. Sometime in your case maybe it will ask password. Please try to enter the password. Okay, it is demo version, right? So maybe it is not asking. In case of yours is licensed version, so in this case it will ask password. For executing the command, just type your password and it will take the files and it will try to execute it. And now go back to the main repo. So now files are moved to from staging area to Git repo, correct?
correct.
Now go to your main repo and just try to refresh it. You can see changes.
Correct.
So basically we have to execute this command git push origin and your branch name. So that step also I will mark here. So far we are at git add. So once after git add we have to execute git commit, correct? Git commit, after that git push. So these two commands we have to execute it. So I will copy these two commands. Git add is done. After that, so first git add, after that git commit, after that we did git push origin branch name.
Correct.
So these are the steps we need to follow basically. Maybe it is confused for you, but you have to practice 1 or 2 times so that you will be very familiar.
Right.
So now you got some idea, right? So how to push the files.
Yes.
How to see the difference, how to add files.
Yes. Currently I have it on my machine, but I haven't created a folder in my local machine, which is I needed to create. And
You can create this sample git repo like this, whatever I did. And you have git account, right? This.
Correct.
So you can create one simple git account and create a repository. You said you know repository creation and all, right? So you create one repository and open this window and just play with this. And if you want to see the comments, just now we have already committed some files, right? So that commits and all will be there here.
Yeah. What about the practicing that I was doing it? I can push it those folder and then see.
Yes. That's what you have to practice it.
Okay.
So here you see your latest commit. Sample commit to test commit. This is my comment.
Correct.
Whatever I provided.
Okay, now I got this. So if I now someone else is working on this particular test script or whatever he had been doing it,
Mhm.
less the person. So after that, now I want to pull it to my computer and I wanted to work from there.
Again, if you want to take the latest files, you have to exit git clone command
Okay.
or git. So first one we have executed, right? Git clone. Where is that git clone command? So basically we are not able to see it, the overridden, the log is overridden. So we have to execute that command git clone and repo. So you have to take latest code into your machine, right?
Right.
So for that we have to execute this command. What is that? Here we have already captured. So this command.
Again, I have to just give the path and then.
Yes. If this is the first time, say for instance, you have already did this one and some people got modified. So then what command we have to execute? So there is another command called git pull. Pull means we are trying to take latest code into your local, correct?
Correct.
Push means you are trying to commit some changes. Pull means you are trying to take some latest changes. So now we have to execute. Instead of push, you have to execute pull.
Correct.
So that is the only difference. Git pull origin, from which branch you want to take latest files. Push is used to commit the changes. Pull is used to get the latest changes from the branch. Pull. Let's suppose you and me working on the same project, correct? So you are in leave for one day. That day I committed so many files. Next day you came and you had to take latest file, right?
Correct.
So that's what, if you want to take latest files, you have to execute git pull origin and from which branch you want to take and press enter.
Right.
So it is telling already up to date.
Okay.
If there is any change, it will try to download all the changes into your local.
Right. Okay. So yeah, I need to look at those comment again and then.
Yes. Just you need to practice it here and there. Then your confusions. You right now you have a lot of question marks in your head, so you have to practice it. Then the question marks will be gone.
Okay.
Again, just practice it today, and tomorrow we will discuss again. If you have any questions, again we will do one more time.
Okay. Sure. Sounds good to me.
Okay, what I will do, I will send this sample text file and the video, and you can see it and you can practice it.
Correct. I'm gonna do it now.
Yes, and tomorrow we will see if you have any questions or if you have any issues while doing commit, check out all those things.
Correct. And also Tuesday you have Mustafa's class, correct?
Yes, Tuesday.
Okay. And Tuesday I'm
Not
traveling.
Tuesday. Your Monday evening.
No, tomorrow I have a class. Yes, which is Monday, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. And Tuesday you have Mustafa's class, correct?
Not Tuesday. Monday, right? Monday evening. Your Monday evening.
Okay.
Okay, let me check my email. So you are telling my Tuesday or your Tuesday?
Oh well, I'm saying it from my side.
Your side, right? Your Monday evening.
Monday evening I'm available.
Monday evening, basically that. Okay, let me check. So where is your? I sent you some email, right? Today's class.
Yeah, that's the one.
I sent you some latest email. The timings and all, Ikramul, yes, please provide your availability. So Monday evening, Mustafa will join. So these 2 days, Mustafa will join. Monday evening and Wednesday evening.
Okay. So which is tomorrow?
Yes,
Okay.
it's tomorrow.
Is it possible for Mustafa to work on Tuesday? Right?
I need to check with him. Today, yours is night time, right? So can you
Right.
ping and ask him, or else I can ask him.
I can ask him because on Tuesday night I'm
Mhm.
traveling to New York, so I'll not be available.
Okay, then if you are not available Tuesday evening, Wednesday I will need to take for Mustafa.
Yeah, but yeah, after that I can follow up with you.
Yes,
And
yes. Only one day you are asking, right?
yes, only one day I'm asking to it.
Just inform to Mustafa once, or else I can inform. Not a problem. Then we can connect tomorrow. Tomorrow
Okay,
evening.
I'm just gonna give him a call right now, and
Yes,
then
yes,
I'll.
yes. Just inform. Just give a call to him and just message me. Okay.
Yeah, definitely sounds good to me.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Fine. Yeah. That's all.
Uh, Thank you very much.
Thanks. No problem.